small too.
Hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet, girl. My name is Adelaine and this is
LaurDIY!
Guys, we're both Canadian and we're currently both in LA right now. It's weird how the universe works. It's so weird how the universe works. But guys, this is our first video back since literally like from 2013. Like literally so long ago. LaurDIY. This is Lauren and we're both I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing some DIY girls supporting girls merch because guys, I don't know if you've ever seen Lauren's DIY and YouTuber merch videos. They're so good. Like all of them are so creative and so fun. I just want to copy them all. So we're gonna be doing some on my merch. Finally got her to.
Literally, you're the most like requested person though for merch that I do.
Wait, really?
Series. Yeah, so we're like, you get a whole video.
Oh! I'm so excited. I went to her house. I was like, we are doing this, and now we're doing it. I had to force her, but we're doing it.
I got paid a lot of money for this. Just kidding! Girls supporting girls.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing DIYs on the girls supporting girls. What was your vision?
Okay,
Lauren
so
had
my
a good
vision is to take an oversized hoodie and split it into a crop top and then like waisted, like a more fitted skirt.
Yeah.
So I'm like interested to see. It's gonna be like a super comfy, like chill skirt, obviously since it's oversized.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be cute.
Yeah.
So crop top, but like we're using one piece. So like one piece to make into two, like a set. But like also I think it'll be so convenient to have a pocket on a skirt.
I think so too.
Right? Like I think I love that.
I like that too.
Yeah.
And they're really comfy too. Like having a comfy skirt and a matching set. And I feel like matching sets look like expensive. So like we're gonna turn a hoodie to expensive.
Okay, so we have to do like basically like a seam at the top of the skirt. So crop as high as you feel like you can without your boobs falling out.
Let me measure. Okay.
You actually have really big boobs for a half Asian.
I don't know. I feel like my whole mom's side and my dad's side, I don't know. Apparently your boobs come from the dad's side of the family. Did you know that?
Moose just chewed this off of a pillow.
Oh.
Your dad's side of the family?
Yeah.
Honestly, no one in my family has big boobs.
Really?
Oh, we Nike. Oh, we Nike.
I need a measure.
I don't need to measure because I have no boobs, so I'm gonna just cut this off.
Oh, by the way, this is large, but I feel like extra large would have been better.
Extra large probably would have been better.
We got large.
But it's okay.
Okay, I feel like let's do 1 inch underneath girls. Yeah?
I mean, I'm doing about 1.5 inches underneath my girls.
Yeah, underneath my girls.
Underneath my girls. Except for I really have no girls.
Stop it!
I really
You do! We love girls in all shapes and sizes.
Oh no, honestly I love having small boobs.
I know, they look trendy in every outfit and you can post and not be inappropriate.
Ooh. Yeah, honestly, agree. Okay, here we go.
So there's pros and cons to both.
Okay, so this is done. Like I cropped this and now she's done.
Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Okay, did you do a straight line? I need your guide.
Yeah, just a straight line. So what's helpful too is if you make a little snip where you're aiming for on this side and then try and just like go all the way across. That's like, or actually pass me that ruler. This is like a good hack. Fold it where you want it to be.
I liked 1 inch.
You can just like take a ruler, go like this, and it like will make a
line.
Like, a crease line.
Wow. It's honestly the small things in life.
DIY hack. I love you to get up out of your chair to make that. It's serious.
Top part, she done.
She done. Okay, so we're gonna flip this inside out. Okay, so basically what you're doing with this is like making a pocket at the top. Your hair looks so good. Post music video hair.
Ooh. Guys, little plug. You could go watch my yellow music video, which I just released. We used the same team as Lauren's Roast Yourself 2 video, which is so good. You also have to watch hers after. Just go into a music video binging spree. And little plug, if you guys want and you're near an Ulta near you can give my little palette a whiff. It's Adelaine X Tart. She's gonna be in Ulta stores and Tarte.com, and I'm in love with her. She's my baby. I've held her in my stomach for over a year, and now she's out.
A year?
Over a year. Yeah. She takes a long time to make. She was brewing up in my belly. But now she's out. She's at Ulta stores. Just give her a swatch and give her a whirl. She smells like vanilla. But I'm gonna stop plugging. Okay, bye.
Okay, back to DIY. Basically, you're gonna like make a pocket of fabric. So you're gonna string a ribbon through this, so it just has to be wide enough for the ribbon to kind of like string through it. Ooh, I think my skirt gonna be short. Yours is like a better cut. You've got more going on there. Good thing the booty's small too. But yeah, so basically, we're gonna go through and just hot glue it, and it's gonna go all the way around.
Ruler! LaurDIY life hack.
What is this accent? What is this?
This is my Gru accent. Like, girls, get in the car. My minions. My dog is my minion. She's barking at I don't know what. Okay, we're going to have music over. Epidemic sound, I love you.
Epidemic sound!
If you're a YouTuber, use epidemic
you
sound. Hashtag sponsor. Just kidding, it's not sponsor. I do love epidemic sound.
Seriously. Okay, then you can start because I only plugged one hot glue gun.
Okay.
But basically you're gonna do it as like she extension corded. You good, you good.
Oh! Oh! Wait, guys, you couldn't see this, but basically the
monitor was just like,
I know, and it's not cheap. You're right, she ain't cheap, she ain't cheap.
I'm back into DIY mode. Okay, so basically we're just gonna like make a glue seam. Hello, glue gun, why didn't it work?
Where's your LaurDIY glue gun?
Potentially in the womb. Basically make a glue gun seam like that.
Okay.
And you're gonna go all the way around.
Okay.
Also, we only have one glue gun. I just get to like sit here and awkwardly watch you do this for the next like 6 minutes. So try and make it as straight as you can, yeah.
I'm trying out here. Not everyone is the DIY queen.
No, that was good. What do you mean? You nailed it.
Okay.
I hope your booty is gonna fit in this. I'm like a little nervous that like we didn't go big enough. I hope the booty fits. She's gonna be a little scandy, I think. I feel like this is like a time where I should be questioning you. You asked me so many questions on my channel video.
If you guys want, if you want more LaurDIY and Adelaine Morin, then make sure to go check out Lauren's video where I glammed her.
My face. I took the lip off because I had to eat lunch, but like she snatched the crap out of me. I learned what a cut crease was. And I got glitter on my eyelid. Okay, I'm just gonna think of some questions to ask you. Okay, where did girls supporting girls come from?
So it is a little bit of a long story, and I told it on Nikki's Truth About, but it is not released, and it has been over 2 months, but it's okay.
I love you, Nikki.
Editor, we waiting on you.
I love you, Nikki. She's waiting for season 2, so I get it.
Okay,
But
got it.
basically, like when I was younger, girls were not the nicest in high school.
Really? What did they mean to you? What would they make fun of you for?
I did YouTube when I was in high school, so
Oh, that's right. I forgot how young you
Yeah.
were. And look at her now.
I mean, no, I get it. Like, they were going through their own thing. Like, I learned that there was family things going on with them, like hurt people.
Yeah.
Which I totally understand, but like, it came to a point where like, when I was younger, I was scared of groups of teenage girls because it like, people don't realize like how their words affect you. I'm obviously over it now, but like,
Yeah. No,
you know
it's so true.
I don't know. I don't think they realize like that what they did affected me so much.
Right.
I feel like sometimes it's easy to feel competitive and want to tear other girls down, when in reality, the only way that we're gonna rise up is by helping each other and lifting each other.
By girls supporting girls.
Exactly. And like, I don't want there to be a weird stigma. I want it to be cool to support other girls.
Literally, when I see someone post like a photo in a bathing suit or something and I see hate comments, I want to freaking just slap all of them.
I know.
I literally don't know a single person who feels 100% confident in a bathing suit, and it's like if someone wanting to post a picture like
I know, and they feel confident, and then there's comments like that. It's
yeah,
like,
I just want to
let them live.
let the girl live, big
Let the girl live. How am I doing?
Great, you're killing it. Also, how do I get nails like yours? Those are so cute. What the heck?
I got it in Toronto.
Also, do you still have the safety pin in your pants?
I do indeed.
Okay, great, because we're gonna need it for the next step.
Okay. So just confirming, is this machine washable?
Honestly, yes-ish.
Okay.
It's kind of like the move. Like if you wash it in cold, I find that hot glue is great, but obviously like sewing is gonna be your number one, like strongest. But there's also fabric hot glue too, or fabric glue. I just find that fabric glue takes so long to dry, and I'm like impatient. Like I want my DIY now.
Done.
But if you wash in cold and then air dry, usually it's fine. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Crushed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're literally like basically done. Okay, and then all you're gonna do is kind of just like find the middle point here, make a little squeeze like this on the front, and just make a tiny little snip here.
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Okay. Snip.
Take the safety pin out of your pants.
My pants are broken, guys. I'm sorry if you see my underwear.
This is true DIY, and like using pieces of your own outfit for your DIY.
Your new outfit.
Okay, and then stay through here.
Got it.
Okay, and then you're gonna use the safety pin to kind of like fish it through all the way around.
Did you know, fun fact, I went to fashion class and we did this, and this was my
Really?
least favorite part, yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, I loved fashion class. It was so fun.
So what did you make?
I think my favorite thing that we've ever made, I made pajamas, and we like used a sewing machine and everything. I forget how to use a sewing machine. It was like so many years ago.
On Amazon.
You did?
I was like, I'm gonna remember how to sew because it's been so long.
Yeah. How'd you learn how to DIY?
Honestly,
do you just have a natural knack for it?
Grew up, yeah, like, you know what it is? I think it was like, I wanted all my stuff to be different. Like I was like, ooh, I want a cool binder. I want a cool backpack that like doesn't look like everyone else's backpack. But then I also too was like abnormally small growing up. I had to learn how to like alter my clothing.
Alter your clothes.
Literally.
That's so cool. And then ever since you've like been the DIY queen.
Oh my god, thank you.
I don't even remember the last time I did a DIY. I forgot how fun this is.
Isn't it fun? Literally everyone that I have come on my channel like do DIYs, they're like, this is kind of therapeutic.
Yeah, it's relaxing.
Yeah,
it's like you know the coloring books?
Yeah, oh my god, yeah. I feel like I should be asking you more questions. You like literally interrogated me on my channel. Okay, wait, so how did you name all of your colors in the palette?
Everyone always asks me this. So I found it really easy to name all of my colors.
I think I could too.
I knew what I wanted and I just did it. Like they asked me, they put it in an email. Yeah. And they were like, what do you want all the colors names to be? And I just responded in the email. Yeah, I just responded in the email and I had no alterations and that was just it. That was
oh my god.
I was like, oh, hopefully Matt and I don't break up because we're gonna have promise ring. Oh. No, I'm kidding.
I mean, yeah, definitely named a paint called Wasabi.
But yeah, it was really easy for me. Like I had a lot of fun doing it. It was like my own little like project. And Tarte was really good about like making it a collaboration. Like you know Tarte, like they're all natural. Yeah. And they don't have crazy colors and stuff like that. When I was like, I want like a bright orange, they were like, okay,
you're literally done. And then this is like gonna be your waistband basically.
Oh my god!
That's it. That's it.
This is such an easy DIY.
It's so easy. I know. But like, I'm worried it's gonna be too short. I'm worried it's gonna be bootylicious.
No.
We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. You just have like more assets than I do.
Well, that's why we need the girls supporting girls.
I'll support your assets. You support mine.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
Was it hard moving from Toronto to LA?
I get asked this question a decent amount.
Yeah.
But the answer is like honestly no.
Yeah.
Yeah. I went back and forth for like almost a year.
Yeah, I remember when I asked you the first time that we filmed together, you were like, no, I don't think I would ever move to LA.
Oh my god.
Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
And I was like, same. And then now we're
both like here. Yeah, I know. Honestly though, I was just so jealous of all the girls that could make videos all year round because I filmed so much outside.
Yeah.
And like I literally felt like left out. I mean, I had so much FOMO. I was like, my content could be so much better. I could do so many more collabs. I was like, everyone will just be happier if I except for my family. Family is obviously. But it's okay. They come here all the time. I'm sweating.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, she's the most time-consuming part.
I'm so excited to try this on. I feel like it's gonna be so cute.
I know. I'm really excited too. How do you come up with all of your DIYs? Did you just make up this?
This is like something that I used to do to like take the bottoms of shirts in or something.
Yeah.
I like used to do this all the time. Honestly, when I was like 16, I was like queen of my sewing machine. Wait, I think I also sewed a pair of pajama pants with my nana one time. Like pajamas is like the thing to sew.
Yeah.
Because like that's what you used to learn.
They're like baggy.
Yeah,
and, like, fine.
Yeah, and like not super like fitted.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I sewed a pair of pants with my nana and I think she also showed me how to do this.
She's cinched. You're gonna look like
cinched.
Yes. Imagine I let go of this.
And it's like sucked all the way in. Oh my god, I would die. Voila.
Ooh. Oh my god. It kind of looks like a little sack.
You're right, like a little like a satchel.
Yeah.
I kind of hate the word sack. Like it's like not a word I'm into. Like you said that I was like
moist.
It's the worst word. Oh my god, okay, it's like try on time.
We'll be right back.
Some flowers by Van Gogh. She's got that yellow. She's got that yellow.
Wait, it's actually so cute.
You like my pockets? Gee, thanks. Just made it.
Just glued it.
Oh my god, wait, these are like so cute. I don't know. I really like this.
Wait, oh my god. Oh, I do like having a pocket.
Okay, I'm not much of a skirt girl, but I'm like, what if you like kind of like
maybe like
cut it and then sewn it, make shorts?
Ooh, that would actually
another option. But like,
cute. Also, just like this is like not an okay final shot. Like we need to do something better than that. Oh, I'm so glad this turned out, guys. There's like a lot of pressure to like DIY some girls supporting girls. You guys have been requesting this and I was like, I gotta come through with this DIY.
Wow, Lauren's like, I need to get ready for Coachella. And then she's like, has abs.
No, but we literally just ate 2 s'more bars downstairs, so like, I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think this looks really good.
Yeah, I'm like down with it. Also like light color, dark hair, dark color, light
hair.
Oh my god.
Next up, DIYing dog YouTuber merch. We're gonna be DIYing Moose's merch line. Make sure you go buy it on Amazon.
Dog supporting dogs.
Do you guys like our outfits? Pant if you like our outfits.
Pant if you like it.
Oh, thank you. Laura and I were talking, we were like, I just like
watching
to just
our dogs
watch our dogs exist. They had a play date today. We can insert some clips right now. Oh my god, he's giving her kisses. That's such a good girl. He's such a good boy. Who says, you like my mom's outfit? Gee, thanks. Just glued it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I glue it. High five. Boom.
Wow, we have a problem.
But I'm obsessed with the DIY. I think that it turned out so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want more Lauren and Adelaine, then make sure to go check out her channel where I glammed her with my makeup palette. So this is it.
Ooh, she cute. So
make sure to go check it out. Link will be down in the description. Make sure to go check out Moose's line and Lauren's line and Target. And oh my god, you have so many things.
That's it. That's good.
That's it?
Yeah, that's good.
and DIY Queen and Roast Yourself too. Yellow music video and Tarte at Ulta and Tarte.com. Follow Blue and Moose on Instagram and
Go buy your palette.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. I'll see you guys next week in my next Sunny Sunday video. Same place, same time. Love you guys. Bye.